안녕하세요, 미스터입니다. 저는 이 영상 편지를 보고 눈물을 많이 흘렸습니다. 지금까지 제 영상에 나오는 많은 사람들이 저와 구독자님들께 감사의 편지를 보냈는데 이번 찰민의 엄마 호라손의 영상 편지를 보고 감동의 눈물도 많이 흘리고 많은 생각을 했습니다. 제가 하고 있는 이 일이 그리고 여러분들께서 도와주시는 크고 작은 도움이 이들에게 얼마나 큰 힘이 되고 이들이 이 도움이 얼마나 간절히 쓰는지를 다시 한번 깨닫게 됐습니다. 영상 편지를 끝까지 보시면 지금까지 후원해 주셨던 분들 그리고 마음속으로 응원해 주셨던 분들 정말 뿌듯하고 행복해지실 겁니다. 그리고 도와주지는 못할 망정 필리핀 사람들은 도와줘봐야 소용없다는 둥 고마움도 모른다는 둥 이런 멍멍이 소리하는 악플러들은 영상 똑바로 보고 반성하시길 바랍니다.
Good day, everyone. I wrote this letter to show everyone our gratitude and appreciation for all your help. Our dearest subscribers, sponsors, and to Mr. Won, I am Corazon, mother of Charmin and Angel. I wrote this letter to sincerely thank everyone who helped support my daughter's needs. I know that words of gratitude will never be enough to repay all the kindness you have given to our family. But still, we want to express our deepest thanks to those who provided laptops, shoes, money for school supplies, uniforms, bags, and most of all, tuition and allowance. I would also thank to Mr. Won for bringing and carrying the package for us. Thank you so much to everyone who gave my daughter the chance to continue her studies and pursue her dream of becoming a nurse. One day, when my children are already working and we are in a position to help others, I also want to give back to those in need because all of you have inspired me. Even though you only see us through videos, you did not hesitate to help us at a time when life was very difficult. As a parent, it was so painful for me to even think about how to tell Charmin that she might not be able to continue her studies or take exams. During that time, Charmin was not getting enough sleep because she was busy reviewing. Those were the days when I prayed almost every hour. Every time I saw her things for school and hospital's duty. And even when I was washing her only one school uniforms. I would also cry and pray to God to help us overcome these trials. It broke my heart to think of stopping her studies because she was working so hard. Even when all she had was money for transportation. The whole day at school, she would rather endure the hunger as long as she could attend her class. To make the story short, Ate Telma told me to reach out to Mr. Won. Since she helps students, so I asked her from Kuya Celier, Ate Telma's husband, and also from Estelita, Andrea's mother. Just at the right time, Mr. Won was about to visit. So they asked him if he could interview my children and me. Thank God, she agreed. He agreed.
They need help for education for his daughter
Because her daughter is nursing.
nursing. His father is not enough
Yeah,
for
because
support to
he's
because only 15
construction worker.
only it's not enough for salary because his daughter.
There's so
Please
many
help me.
credit for their tuition fee.
Yeah.
That's why we also ask,
It's my
Pass
daughter.
away.
you talk na, Joyce.
Let's talk.
Opo, opo. Thank you po.
Okay.
Come here po.
Earlier, he said your family need help. What? How about your husband? What is his job?
Construction po.
How much 1 month salary?
Bali, umano po siya ng 15,000 po. Kaso may loan po kami sa SCC at saka Pag-ibig.
My father po, he's a construction worker and he earns 15,000 po per month. And my mother, she's a babysitter. She takes care of my pamangkin, my niece. She earns about 250 pesos po per day. And my fare po going to school is already 200 and my sister is 80 pesos. So it's not enough po for every day.
Sana po talaga, hoping po kami na matulungan siya kasi baka matigil po siya eh.
Yes. Stop.
Stop.
Like studying. Because we're still not sure where to get the tuition.
수업료가 한 학기에 55,000 페소면 1년이면 11만 페소인데 월급이 한 달에 15,000 페소면 또 생활비도 쓰고 하면 야 이건 진짜 힘들겠는데요.
Before the exams, Mr. Won came back. He brought us such a big surprise. I hugged Charmin tightly that time and told her, "You will not have to stop your studies anymore. Soon you will achieve your dreams. That was all because of your generosity. Thanks be to God and thank you so much to all of you from the bottom of our heart. I am happy now because I no longer worry about Angel's laptop since she has her own. She doesn't need to wait for Charmin to finish her research before starting hers. About the shoes, I am also glad that my daughter now has something to wear on her first day of work, since school requires all white. I want to tell all of you that you are truly an inspiration to our family and to everyone who have helped. And to Mr. Won, who is so hardworking, we are especially thankful to all the subscribers and sponsors. Thank you very much. I will always pray to God to protect each one of you and your families, to keep you away from sickness and harm. I also pray that God bless you with long lives and more blessings, so that you can continue helping more people who are in greater need through Mr. Won's vlogs. To Mr. Won, please do not stop creating wonderful videos, and please always take care of your health. For all the kindness you have shown to our family, we will never forget it. I have kept all the envelopes with your names that Mr. Won gave us as a remembrance. Thank you so much, everyone. We truly hope that one day we will be able to meet at least one of you in person. With gratitude, Cora. Thank you.